John Vidine with Grey Duck Dent Repair of Minnesota. Most commonly, we'd get behind the panel and actually massage the metal back into its original shape from the backside. The other option would be to glue pull it from the top side of the panel using a special glue and glue tabs that we put on top of the dent and pull it back out into like new condition. Paintless dent repair is by far and away the best way to repair dents, dings, any kind of damage, if that is an option. In most cases, save money compared to conventional repair. When you can save somebody's baby, their car that they love, and you can bring it back to new condition, that make people happy.